Has the thought ever crossed your mind, will robots take my job? It's a valid concern considering the rapid advancement of automation technology. Automation, without a doubt, is a two-edged sword. It's a boon for efficiency, but also a potential threat to traditional jobs. A prime example of automation replacing jobs is the manufacturing industry. Once dominated by manual labor, it now hosts a workforce of robots and automated systems. Factories across the globe have adopted machines for tasks that require precision, speed, and consistency. The result? A significant reduction in human labor. Take the auto industry, for example. Over the past few decades, companies have transitioned from assembly lines manned by workers to automated systems that can assemble cars with minimal human intervention. As a result, many jobs that were once performed by humans are now handled by machines. Similarly, the transportation industry has not been immune to the impact of automation. Autonomous vehicles are no longer the stuff of science fiction. Companies are investing heavily in self-driving technology, which could potentially replace millions of trucking jobs. Consider the case of Uber, which is testing self-driving cars in cities around the world. If these tests are successful, it could lead to a future where taxi drivers are replaced by autonomous vehicles. The customer service sector has also seen a shift towards automation. Many companies now use chatbots to handle customer inquiries. These automated systems can answer questions, process transactions, and even provide technical support. This has led to a reduction in the need for human customer service representatives. Yet, automation doesn't necessarily spell doom and gloom for the job market. It also opens up opportunities for new types of jobs. As machines take over routine tasks, human skills are needed to manage and maintain these systems. In the manufacturing sector, for example, there's a growing demand for technicians who can repair and maintain automated systems. Similarly, in the transportation industry, new jobs are being created in areas like autonomous vehicle programming and maintenance. In conclusion, the rise of automation presents both challenges and opportunities. It's a wave that is reshaping the future of work. While it's true that some jobs are being displaced, new ones are also being created. It's a shift that requires us to develop new skills and adapt to a changing job market. Indeed, the question isn't whether automation will replace jobs, but rather how we can prepare for the jobs of the future. As the old saying goes, the only constant in life is change. And in the era of automation, those words